The government has identified 350,000 Kenyans who lost their jobs in the last 2 months due to the coronavirus pandemic for monthly stipends. Now, Labour Cabinet Secretary Simon Chelgui says the number is part of the 1.2 million Kenyans who have lost their jobs but identified as the most vulnerable. Our very own Faizal Ahmed has the details of the planned 5,000 shillings a month stipend by the state.
According to the Ministry of Labour and Social Protection, more than 1.2 million Kenyans lost their jobs due to the COVID-19 pandemic in the last 2 months. The informal sector was the most hit, with more than 1 million workers losing their jobs, while more than 200,000 workers in formal employment lost their jobs. The worst hit sectors include warehouse, retail, hotel and accommodation, with over 600,000 rendered jobless, manufacturing losing more than 200,000 jobs. Social and personal services, which covers barbershops and beauticians, lost more than 100,000 jobs, while transport and communication lost more than 31,000 jobs, with more than 25,000 workers losing their jobs in the construction sector.
We are doing this. Our source of information is the recent household survey by the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, which was launched by the Minister in charge of Treasury. We have also carried out our own engagement with the social partners, that is FKE and KOTU, and then also the number of notices that my ministry keep on receiving for redundancies, and we have collected, and it ties well with what we have in our survey.
To cushion the 1 million workers in the informal sector, the government has proposed financial support for vulnerable groups, with each set to receive 15,000 shillings for 3 months, equating to 5,000 shillings per month. However, the Labour Ministry narrowed down on the 35% of the 1 million as hardest hit, translating to 352,923 individuals who will receive the government relief fund once it's set up.
Now, our focus is living, to ensure livelihoods are sustained. So in that case, we would have to also go out of our way to ensure that we support these people. So that is briefly actions and plans that we are doing as Ministry of Labour and Social Protection to ensure that we minimize the pain caused to these vulnerable groups.
The Labour Ministry says that it has placed a request of 5.25 billion shillings with the National Treasury towards this effort. Once the monies are released, it will be sent to individuals' mobile phones on a monthly basis. The International Labour Organization, ILO, has warned that at least 195 million people around the world are going to be jobless in the next 3 months as the coronavirus pandemic spreads. Faizal Ahmed, Citizen TV, Nairobi.